مثلا استارشا سولير.
Hey, you're right. Besides, all I want for Christmas is that Solaire. From luxurious days to grand feasts and exciting performances that ring in the new year. I can't wait.
The Radio 1 School Gimmick Board, SGB. What's new on campus? Events, concerts, and parties. Radio 1 School Gimmick Board.
Ihahandog ng the UP Repertory Company ang isang twin-bill production starring Lotto Bustamante, Juris Diva, Cookies and Ampan at iba pang artista ng bayan sa isang nakatitig-tig balangibong theater play. November 27 to 29, showtimes are 2 p.m. and 6 p.m. Sa Parola, UP Fine Arts at UP Diliman. Kung gusto niyo na mag-book ng ticket, you can check the UP Repertory Company's Facebook and Instagram page. That's the UP Repertory Company. Pagkagandang Dilim features 2 plays, Aswang As You Love Me, Lucy Eleuterio, directed by Manuel Messina III and delivered by Jasper Verdeses, directed by Vin Dina Ramos. Book na kayo. That's the UP Repertory Company. For the Radio 1 School Gimmick Board, this is student jock of De La Salle College of St. Benio. Catch the Radio 1 show every Saturday 2 to 6 p.m. only here on Manila's hottest, Monster, RX 3.1.
The Radio 1 School Gimmick Board, SGB. Featuring Manila's hottest student jocks taking over the monster. Your crash course in cool school affairs. Radio 1. Hosted by your favorite student DJs from some of the country's finest colleges and universities. Every Saturday, only from Manila's hottest Monster, RX 3.1. The weekly Countdown Top 7 hottest this week. The Countdown Top 7 of the week of November 7 to 14, 2025. 7. Maui Wowie by Kid Cudi.
Just to keep that Maui Wowie, that Maui
What is coming out is the version of the language
6. Chanel by Tyler.
Five.
New entry, Bittersweet by Madison Beer.
4.
Where Is My Husband by Ray. New entry, At the Window by Kehlani.
2.
Light by Taylor Swift.
Ganitong naging apat na sandali magpapit ang alas 6. Muling ibinigpuno sa ating Pangulo sa Latino ang madali ang pagbabalantas ng bata sa Comprehensive Agrarian Program para sa
And the number one song on Countdown Top 7 still belongs to Olivia Dean. It's so easy to fall in love. Top of the countdown for 3 consecutive weeks.
Na kanyang hihilin ang suporta ng Kongreso at ng ibang mga magsasaka. Ayon pa rin sa Pangulo, ang pagbabalantas ng batas sa CART ay dapat na isa katuparan at gawin sa maling panahon. Gayunman, sinabi pa rin ng Pangulo na siya ay nagbabalak na magbibigay ng katiyakan ng nasaling bansa na ang kaukulang suporta para sa Pilipinas. Samantala, sinabi pa rin ni Sheffer na maraming mga negosyanteng chairman ang makalalang magtatag ng negosyo o mamuhunan sa kabila ng paglipana ng mga balitang hindi maganda para sa bansa. Kaugnay pa rin ito, ipinalala ng Pangulo sa Kongreso ang kanyang kapangyarihan upang may palabas ang isang executive order na siya magpapatupad ng CART sakali mabigo ang mga ito bago dumating ang takdang panahon.
Samantala, sinangayunan ni House Speaker Ramon Mitra Jr. ang mga congressmen na nagbiti bilang mga sponsor ng House Bill number 400 o ang tinatawag na Comprehensive Agrarian Reform Bill. Sa detalye, pakinggan natin muli ang pag-ulat mula sa Kongreso ni Eloy Aquino.
Nagbanta si Speaker Ramon Mitra Jr. na gagamit ng Speaker's power upang pwersahin ng mga membro ng House of Representatives na magpalabas ng isang batas sa reforma salita na ayon sa kagustuhan ng mga nakararami. Sa Conference, muling nanawagan si Mitra sa